In this Autodesk Maya tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a camera follow a simple curve. Here, I have an object in the middle of the modeling field in Maya. I want to make a curve that a camera will follow. First, press the spacebar, then select the top view. Under the Create menu, select Create, Curve Tools, 3-point circular arc. Click once, then twice, then 3 times. We now have a curve. Then go to Create, Cameras, Camera. The camera is in the middle of the scene. If I select the camera, press W for the Move tool, you can see that it is right here. I'll press Q, then hold Shift and select the curve. So I have the camera selected first, then the curve. Change to the Animation tool shelf in the top left. Then you'll have the Constrain menu. Select Constrain, Motion Paths, Attach to Motion Path. Now you can see that the camera is attached to the motion path. I'll press Space, then select Perspective View, and we can see this camera here. I'll change to the Animation workspace. If I move the playhead, you can see that the animation of the camera follows the path, but the camera is facing the wrong way. We can select the Attribute Editor in the top left, select Motion Path, then scroll down, and we can invert the front. By toggling this, it'll show which way is up or down. We can also invert which way is up. And there are many other ways that we can adjust the camera, including aims, but that is more complicated and I'll show you in a different video. Notice that this value is what is animated. Here on the screen, it says 344. So if I zoom out on my graph editor, I can see that right here at 344, I have 100%. If I move this in, you can see where it is on the curve will change. So I can animate that to happen quicker. So now everything in the animation happens faster. If I want it to not ease in and ease out, I can select the curve, tangents, and make it be linear. So now it goes at a constant speed around. I can also select this curve, press W, and move it up. So that way the camera is up higher. So hopefully this allows you to create motion paths with your camera. You can simply attach a camera to a motion path in Maya, and it'll animate around that motion path. Happy 3D modeling!